Kei konei mātou o te Pāti Kākariki ki te whakamana i a Wiramu a Rātana, me te haukainga, ngā morehu, ki te whakamana i te mana motu haki o te ao Māori.
Ko te mea tuatahi kia mihi atu ki te whānau nei, ana ki te hāhi nei, kua roa rawa e tautoko atu ana i te hāweti i ona rā, ana tainoa mai ki Chris Hipkins i ngā tau kua pahure ake nei.
What does Rātana represent in your opinion?
Well, look, I mean, I think what's been impressive is you go back to the history. It was 100 years ago this year that actually Rātana set off to go to George V and actually say, with the support of 30,000 Māori that have signed a petition to say, hey, listen, there's been confiscated lands here and we need to honour the Treaty of Waitangi. And essentially that came unsuccessful in meeting with the King, but actually very successful in kick-starting a broader conversation that then started a much better pathway forward.
My uncle used to be the leader of the Rātana youth movement here all those years ago, and so we've got a long history here, and also we've got respect for them, the movement. It's a pan-Māori movement, which has been forgotten by all the Ziwiization that's going on.
O te kāwanatanga, e toru nā upoko. Ko kōrua e nei kua tai mai. Ko te tuatoru, kua mautonu rā ki roto I tāna rohe, miti nei I tāna tau.
Prime Minister's here, you're here, David Seymour's not here. Should he be here?
You ask David Seymour that. You don't go and trap us in those sorts of questions, all right? I know what you fellas in the mainstream media do, but you've got to start unnovicing yourselves. Start showing some experience. If you want to know if Mr. Seymour, go and ask him.
Most definitely. He should have fronted up. And while I appreciate that the hui e Tūranga Waiwai was for our people to come together, for Māori people to come together, he made clear before that hui that Rātana would be his focus, and so too will Waitangi. Well, he hasn't shown up here, and I think that's indicative of the kind of agenda that him and his party and this government are pushing.
Kaurea David Seymour, te kaiarahi o ACTI tai mai. Ki o whakaaro I tika ana kia tai mai ia ki te mure o te hai?
Ahau nei, ai. Me he mea e wati ana tēnei kāwanatanga ki te manaaki I ngā mātāpono o te katoa me tai mai te tangata nei ki te whakarongo e te wā o te hoio.
I came here to hear Rātana, not to hear a political protest that was on last October called an election where they lost.
O mātua rā I rongo rātou I te hiahia o te ao Māori mai I te hui a motu me te tautoko mai a te tumuaki me te hahi Rātana ki te rā weke I te tiriti he whawhai kei te haere.
I mean, I want to be really clear. There's no amendment or revision of the treaty. There's no amendment or revision or backtracking on any treaty settlements. We're going to honour those. We're going to honour the treaty and we're going to honour those settlements. It's really important. And likewise going forward.
Kei te ahua mānuka au ki wera kōrero, te rape, he arero rua.
We want Māori to do well, and we want to be able to work with community leaders, business leaders, iwi leaders, Māori organisations to make sure we improve outcomes for everyone, Māori or non-Māori, in this great country of ours. Most importantly, we're here to get things done.
He kōrero kei roto, engari kaore ia nei ko ngā kōrero I whakatakoto, ko ngā kōrero kaori I whakapuaki te mea kei te whakararuraru ia.
Wā kei runga te kōrero kei rau te rahurahu, kei roto I ngā rā, I ngā wiki, ngā mara mai haere ake nei.